Dr. Jung Price, Integrative Physician and co-owner of Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics. Now, I've been supporting women's health for nearly 30 years, and that's a long time, and I've seen just about every type of health problem a woman can have. And I've also had my own fair share of female-related health problems too. Now, you may not know this, but some years ago I was diagnosed with Hashimoto's thyroiditis and had to take natural thyroid extract. I found out that the deep root cause of this was related to me not being able to express my needs or speaking my truth as a result of lack of self-love. When I worked on clearing these beliefs and stresses, it allowed me to truly heal from this thyroid condition, and I no longer have to take any medication. I was also diagnosed with early stage cervical cancer and adrenal fatigue, and I had to do a lot of nutritional, emotional, and energetic healing work to get myself better. Over time, I discovered the fastest path to healing the physical body by going well beyond the band-aids to drugs and the limits of conventional medicine. Now, as a doctor, I've had to deal with the very strong, male-orientated, competitive nature of the medical establishment for decades. And as a business owner, I've also had to output a lot of masculine energy to drive and manage my business growth and obligations. And often I mentally took work home with me, and I found it hard to switch off and relax. And I was thinking about work all the time. This, of course, impacted on my personal relationships. And it's been hard for me at times to work out who I was as a woman and even as a doctor in such an environment. It often felt like I had to show up and do what I had to do was at odds with what I felt like I truly wanted to do and be from my heart. I was not taking care of myself, and I was too much in my mind, and I even started resenting turning up for my patients, my obligations and expectations. Hence, I did crash and developed adrenal fatigue for 2 years, nearly 2 years. And I felt that I had lost touch with my feminine nature and the feminine power that helps me make me the type of doctor and person I really wanted to be. Caring, supportive, nurturing, and intuitive. Thankfully, I've recognized all of these old self-sabotaging patterns, and I've really taken steps to transform myself and completely change my life's direction and my health. And now I do what I only love to do, and my hormones are happy and in harmony. So if you can relate to what I'm saying, perhaps you're part of the nearly 80% of women in the 35 to 65 age group who say things to me like, I don't feel attractive or sexy anymore. I don't enjoy sex and I don't even want it. I feel disconnected from who I really am inside. Or I feel lost as a woman, overwhelmed with my obligations. Perhaps you might think I don't feel enough or valued or appreciated. Now, when I hear such comments coming from beautiful, wonderful women who are working so hard, I know that their self-beliefs, unhelpful emotions, negative thoughts are impacting directly on their hormone production. Now, studies have been conducted where women have been placed in different role-playing situations. Some where nurturing, cooperation, and collaborations are important, and some where competition reigns supreme. Scientists would then measure changes in key hormones like cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, oxytocin, as well as inflammatory markers. I know that you don't need to guess what happened next. When women were exposed to activities that were opposed their feminine nature, stress was induced. This stress activated from the brain, known as neurological stress, powerfully influenced dozens of important natural body hormones, chemicals, and immune system elements. And the results? Reduced estrogen output, increased cortisol and testosterone, lowered oxytocin, which is the love hormone, and increased inflammatory markers. So if you didn't know this before, you know it now. Your hormones are not just a product of your body. They're ultimately the effect of your self-beliefs, perception, thoughts, and feelings, which impact on how you choose to live your life. Now, when your feminine nature feels neglected or violated, then your hormones follow suit. So, what can you do about it? Well, as you may be aware, I use a range of alternative tools, technology, and techniques to help my female patients get the very best results possible in the fastest possible way. And in addition, I have some amazing conscious health technology that bathes the brain and nervous system in calming, clearing, and balancing frequencies. Energetic messages to tell your brain and nervous system to calm down, relax, and reset. In our workshops and masterclasses, we target this conscious health technology to focus on dealing specifically with clearing the emotional, the energetic, and self-belief issues that are silently preventing women from experiencing the self-love, happiness, and emotional balance they deserve. So when you can so easily clear the childhood conditioning and the societal patterns that you've been playing out all of your life, then you're free to step into being the truly feminine, intuitive, and authentic self and live out your very best life. You know, we get incredible results. Women find that they can once again connect with their feminine essence and feminine power. And when they do this, their innate intuition, caring, and nurturing natures just emerge. They find that they can naturally cooperate and collaborate with each other, and they can accept themselves and love themselves for who they truly are. Amazing, powerful women who can steer their lives and then orientate them towards joy and fulfillment. And as an important side effects, your libido and zest for life returns. The enjoyment of the female body and pleasure becomes more achievable. Deeper joy and happiness naturally flow as a result. And in the end, you become the real you again. And after all, isn't that what you really want anyway? To reconnect to the real you? So I invite you to join me on Saturday the 25th of August for Happy Hormones, an incredibly powerful and liberating all-day fun workshop, and regain the joyful you again. So just go to the Beyond Good Health website to learn more and secure your seat. That's at www.beyondgoodhealth.com. You'll be amazed at what will happen for you when you attend Happy Hormones. And I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for listening.